Hello, this video demonstrates the installation of SureStream software. Download the installer to the management server machine from the provided link. Close running management clients, smart clients on this machine. Run SureStream.exe on the management server machine. Wait for completion. Copy SureStream.exe to each smart client machine. Close running smart clients on this machine. Run SureStream.exe on each smart client machine. Wait for installation completion. We support silent installs to help deployment on large numbers of machines automatically. Thank you for watching this video.